Welcome to the Mongolian lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations. Miniao, which means my father. Miniao. Miniao. Miniach, which means my elder brother. Miniach. Miniach. Mini irhtedu, which means my younger brother. Mini irhtedu. Mini irhtedu. Miniho, which means my son. Miniho. Miniho. Miniich, which means my mother. Miniich. Miniich. Miniich, which means my elder sister. Miniich. Miniich. Miniimhtedu, which means my younger sister. Miniimhtedu. Miniimhtedu. Miniochen, which means my daughter. Miniochen. Miniochen. Tuniao, which means his father or her father. Tuniao. Tuniao. Tuniich, which means his mother or her mother. Tuniich. Tuniich. Hinihuwe, which means first son. Hinihuwe. Hinihuwe. Alta Bakshin Ahun, which means teacher Alta's daughter. Alta Bakshin Ahun. Alta Bakshin Ahun. This is a conversation between two speakers. The first speaker asked, In hini huwe? Whose son is this? The second speaker responded, In bol tuni hu. This is his son. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In hini huwe. In bol tuni hu. This is a conversation between you and your classmate. Your classmate noticed a new student entering the classroom and asked curiously, In hini ahumwe? Whose daughter is this? You were acquainted with her as you were living in the same neighborhood and responded, In bol Alta Bakshin ahum. This is teacher Alta's daughter. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. In hini ahumwe. In bol Alta Bakshin ahum. Tir hitun nastawe, which means how old is he or how old is she. Tir hitun nastawe. Tir hitun nastawe. Ta hitun nastawe, which means how old are you. Ta hitun nastawe. Ta hitun nastawe. Tuniao teun naste, which means his father is 50 years old. Tuniao teun naste. Tuniao teun naste. Tuniich 38 naste, which means her mother is 38 years old. Tuniich 38 naste. Tuniich 38 naste. Bi 25 naste, which means I am 25 years old. Bi 25 naste. Bi 25 naste. Өнгөрсөн жил, which means last year. Өнгөрсөн жил. Өнгөрсөн жил. Энэ жил, which means this year. Энэ жил. Энэ жил. Дараа жил, which means next year. Дараа жил. Дараа жил. This is a conversation between you and your Mongolian friend. Your friend noticed your new profile picture and curiously asked, Tana ээж хэдэн настай вэ? How old is your mother? You responded, Манай ээж энэ жил 48 настай. My mother is 48 years old this year. We shall have a look at the conversation this year. Танай ээж хэдэн настай вэ? Манай ээж энэ жил 48 настай. This is a conversation between you and your classmate. You curiously asked about the new teacher. Манай багш хэдэн настай вэ? How old is our teacher? Your classmate, who lives close to the teacher's neighborhood, revealed. Манай багш энэ жил 35 настай. My teacher is 35 years old this year. From your previous conversation with the classmate, you remember that the teacher had a daughter. You asked, Түүний охин хэдэн настай вэ? How old is her daughter? Your classmate replied, Түүний охин энэ жил 11 настай. Her daughter is 11 years old this year. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time. Манай багш хэдэн настай вэ? Манай багш энэ жил 35 настай. Түүний охин хэдэн настай вэ? Түүний охин энэ жил 11 настай. We shall learn to express more numbers in Mongolian language. Aro, which means 10. Aro. Aro. Har, which means 20. Har. Har. Koch, which means 30. Koch. Koch. Duch, which means 40. Duch. Duch. Tau, which means 50. Tau. Tau. Jar, which means 60. Jar. Jar. Dal, which means 70. Dal. Dal. Nai, which means 80. Nai. Nai. Ur, which means 90. Ur. Ur. Zo, which means 100. Zo. Zo. We shall have better clarity on how to construct other numbers in Mongolian language. The numbers between 11 and 19 are represented by the prefix aron instead of aro. This is the only exception. As for the remaining numbers from 21 to 99, it is recommended to say the value of the 10th digit plus the value of the units digit in Mongolian for easier understanding. For example, Harantau is 25, which is represented by 20 plus 5. You can make your own combination of numbers, based on the basic numbers you have already learned, to have a better understanding of the way numbers are expressed in Mongolian language. Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Mongolian lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.